Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Super Swing Trader. Today we're going to take a look at USDCAD, US dollar versus Canadian dollar. As always, we're going to take a look at the monthly chart first. On the monthly, we see that this level of supply over here is in control. So no longs allowed. So this level of supply is in control, forming this big big tail. Forgot what the price action candlestick means. It's bottoming, but this is the topping tail. So we're expecting price to go back down because it formed this. It got up all the way up here, and then the bears took control, forming this long tail. If they didn't, it would be a strong white candle like a green one here, but then it didn't. The month closed with the bears taking control back in March, so we're expecting this price to come all the way back down. So no longs allowed if you're trading the daily as your entry. On the weekly, this is what we have. We have supply, of course, so no longs allowed either until at least down here. So there's that level, and then there's this level down here too. The lower time frames are still saying that there's an uptrend. On the weekly, still an uptrend. So this continuation pattern will be valid to go long because the weekly is still uptrend. So that is what we have on the weekly. On the daily, this is what we have. We have this level of demand right here that worked. Price came in, kissed the area, and then went back up, but then it's not strong enough, so it came back down. It's gonna come back and retest this level, but this level has been tested already. So we want to wait for a new area of demand being created before we can go long. But judging from the case that monthly supply zone is in control, weekly supply zone is in control, I'm sure there's a supply zone controlling this one that made it retrace back down. So this area is not good. That's why it's so weak. It came up, only went up a little bit. I mean, you could catch some few pips, but it's not going to be that much for the amount of risk that you're taking. So price kissed the level, reacted, but didn't make any new highs, and then already came back down. And as we can see on the weekly, it formed this red bearish candle, meaning price is going to have some room to drop. So let's say that if price takes out this level, then counter trend shorts is very possible. On the 4 hour is just a mess, so I'm not going to analyze that. If you can trade it, however, the bigger picture says that we need a short, counter trend short, or go long down here. So on the daily, that would be where the daily, this is not very good, but this would be right where this is. Okay, so down here, I'm looking to go long down here if possible. So we'll see what this month does, and if it retraces too fast, then we may not be interested in going long anymore because we want to wait for price to stay above these levels for a couple of weeks. So this will take some time to play out, but that is the analysis on USDCAD and where the directional sentiment is for me. Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor or professional trader, so you have to do your own research and do your own homework on whether or not you want to take this position. All the opinions expressed in this video are my own and for educational purposes only. This is it for the analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and click on the bell so you get notified of new videos I release in the future. I make daily swing trading videos on stocks and Forex using supply and demand. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build a life you love.